Kate here with WTI, and did you know that you can go from this to this all on your own? It's a total DIY project. This is an epoxy floor from ArmorPoxy. So the kit comes with everything you need. It will take you about 3 days to complete this project. The first step, of course, is clearing the space and cleaning. We used a pressure washer. It then comes with an etching solution that you add to water and wash it again and rinse it out. And so that really ensures that the epoxy will adhere properly. You let that dry, and from there, the following day, you're already ready to roll out your epoxy. Now, it does come with nearly everything you need, but keep in mind that you will need a roller handle and a pole. The epoxy mixes at a 2-to-1 ratio, and then you roll it out. Now, I will warn you, do not let any of it pool in certain areas. If you have areas that are thicker, when you throw your flakes, they'll land in it differently. So you might have a little bit of variation in your floor. So you roll it out evenly, and as you roll it out, you can put on the spike shoes that come with the kit. You do have to build them yourself, and it allows you to actually walk on the fresh epoxy. You then can apply the flakes. You have a lot of flakes, which is really nice. We had nearly 600 square feet to cover, so that is the kit that we had, and we did have enough to finish the project. The way it looks when you're done scattering your flakes before it's dry is pretty much the way it's going to look when it's fully dry. So if there's anything you see that needs addressing, do it right away. Now, once again, you wait for the following day, and then you're ready to put the final coat on. It is so durable. So I'm confident that it's not going to chip, that I can put anything on here and it's going to stay as nice as the day that we put it down. So if you're wanting to tackle this project, I think you can absolutely do it. It was really easy to follow. Instructions are great. Check out the different color variations they have. They also have a huge lineup of other products, not just this one floor kit. So have a look, but the quality is excellent, and that's my point of view.